Hey there, and welcome back to your Brainy Bites, your go-to channel for tech insights and innovations. Today, we're diving into the world of AI-powered video editing tools, software that is revolutionizing content creation, making video editing faster, smarter, and more accessible than ever before. Whether you're a YouTuber, a business owner, or just someone who loves creating videos, these AI tools will save you time and boost your creativity. So, stick around as we explore the best AI video editing software available today. AI Video Editing Tools Overview. Vizsla, AI-powered video generation. Vizsla is a game changer for AI-generated videos. With Vizsla, you can automatically create videos from text, generate stock footage, and even add AI-powered voiceovers. It's perfect for businesses, educators, and content creators looking to streamline their workflow. Runway ML, AI-powered special effects. Runway ML is an AI video editing tool that brings Hollywood-level effects to your projects. From background removal to AI-powered rotoscoping, Runway ML makes complex edits simple and fast. No need for hours of manual work. Adobe Sensei, AI in Premiere Pro and After Effects. Adobe Sensei helps with smart scene edits, auto-reframing, and color correction. It's ideal for professionals who want to speed up their workflow while maintaining full creative control. Descript, AI-powered video and audio editing. Descript lets you edit videos like a text document. Simply delete words from the transcript and the video edits itself. Plus, it has AI-generated voice cloning, making it a powerful tool for podcasters, video creators, and educators. Pictory, AI video creation from text. Pictory uses AI to create stunning video content from text. It automatically selects stock footage, generates subtitles, and adds AI voiceovers, making it great for marketers and social media creators. Magisto, AI video editing for social media. Magisto uses AI to analyze your footage, select the best moments, and add music and effects, all in just a few clicks. Synthesia, AI avatars for video narration. Synthesia creates realistic AI avatars to narrate videos. Perfect for businesses, training videos, and even YouTube channels that want lifelike AI presenters. How AI is changing video editing. Faster editing. AI automates tasks that used to take hours. Cost-effective. No need for expensive software or hiring editors. Smart automation. AI can detect scenes, add effects, and suggest edits instantly. More creativity. AI helps creators focus on storytelling rather than technical details. And that's a wrap. AI-powered video editing is the future of content creation, making it easier than ever to create high-quality videos with just a few clicks. Which AI tool are you most excited to try? Let us know in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more awesome tech insights. Thanks for watching your Brainy Bites, and we'll see you in the next video.